IKEA day with the boys. I have Minty. And then the other boys. Let's get started. Yeah.
Almond or oat?
Oat milk.
Oh, awesome. Would you like any maple syrup?
Sure.
Hi guys. So we have 3 things here. This is representative of our roommate situation.
This is you, fast.
No.
This is Maya. This is you.
You're telling me Maya is 4 times taller than me?
She's gonna get a lot of hedge pats. Oh yeah. Minty is now interested in the meatballs. Masa's the only one that got an actual meal.
Y'all are getting your protein gains in.
I came here just for this.
The gravy here is so good.
That's what I'm saying.
Get out of your forehead, huge.
Here, would you like to purchase him? He can work 10 hours a day. He's a Japanese worker, so 12 hours a day. No paid overtime.
No paid overtime. Yes. That's crazy. I have a mattress.
Poke's first time laying in an actual bed in like 5 months.
He's just gonna sneak in. Guys, I'm camera shy, so every time I'm on camera, I just emote. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. You want me to do it? Nah, there's too many things around us. What did you say? He's still here. Still chilling. 30 minutes later, we found him in the same spot. Anyways, boys, I'ma head out. I gotta head out.
Yo, are you okay?
So I'm battling demons in my right eye right now. It feels so good. Guys, I'm gonna have to depart soon.
You double booked.
I double booked today. Oh, this IKEA is a maze. IKEA is not a mall, it's a maze to keep you in here. We were just here. Where the hell is the exit? Okay, perfect.
Slay. When we came to IKEA to get furniture and we're leaving with jam and juice. Shit, look, it's yo, oh shit. Honestly, this is the biggest win. Meatballs.
How was that? That's a 10. Oh, it's a 10 out of 10? That's exquisite. Oh my god, Minty's licking yours. Oh.
What the? Minty actually licked my hot dog. Well, I hope you're having fun, Masa. We'll catch you soon, I guess.
See ya.
Bye.